AutoGOAL, a Python framework for heterogeneous auto-machine learning. AutoGOAL helps users with different levels of experience to design effective machine learning pipelines for any given domain, and is very easy to use. Only 3 steps are necessary. You have to import the library, load your desired dataset, do some initial setup, and run. To use AutoGOAL, you only need to provide a dataset for training, a definition of input and output data types, resource constraints such as memory or maximum time, and a fitness function. However, most of these are even optional and can often be inferred automatically. The AutoGOAL framework is especially powerful for natural language processing. It comes prepackaged with a lot of components from preprocessing, embeddings, transformers, neural networks, parsers, knowledge-based features, ensembles, and more. However, you don't need to know what's under the hood in order to use it. You can use our semantic data types to define your problem input and output, and AutoGOAL will automatically find all compatible components. The architecture of AutoGOAL is composed of 4 layers: a high-level API that most users will interact with, a low-level API for fine-grained access to internal components, a list of algorithm adapters, and connections with external resources. The high-level API allows you to find optimal machine learning pipelines for a given dataset and is very easy to use. However, the low-level API provides fine-grained control over the hyperparameter space, and you can use it to optimize any custom pipeline, even pipelines not related with machine learning. In order to use the low-level API, you have to annotate all the optimizable parameters of your class with some special constructions that we have created, generate a probabilistic grammar that defines the search space, and use one of our optimizers. The components layer provides connectors with a myriad of machine learning libraries. When comparing AutoGOAL with other state-of-the-art automatic machine learning tools, we find that it is highly competitive in standard benchmarks. However, where AutoGOAL really shines is in more challenging scenarios like natural language processing, where most of the existing tools are insufficient. For example, if we compare with expert-designed pipelines in the HAHA dataset, which is a text classification task, it obtains top 5 results, and in the MetoCan dataset, an entity recognition task, it obtains top 3 results. In both cases, AutoGOAL requires no task or domain-specific configuration, just the 3 lines of code that we have shown earlier. AutoGOAL can also be used directly as a terminal application without having to write any single line of code. You can use it to train on a given dataset, and it will automatically try everything that we have in our contributions library. Once the model is stored, you can use it to make new predictions and to serve this model as a REST API. Installing AutoGOAL is very easy. You can install it directly as a Python package using pip, or you can use our Docker image, which comes pre-packaged with hundreds of connectors for different machine learning libraries. Finally, you can check out our online demo at https://autogoal.github.io/demo. You will see a short introduction to the high-level API and several datasets that come pre-packaged with AutoGOAL that you can use to explore the different machine learning algorithms that it contains. AutoGOAL is open source, all the code is available on GitHub, and you can follow us on social media for up-to-date news.